over the next 4 to 6 weeks, I am launching a live online program where we will build 12 AI employees together. We will build AI employee for HR, for sales, for marketing, for project management, and many more. We will also build a AI manager that can coordinate the work between all of these AI employees and provides a consolidated summary of activity. This is not a theory course. We will build a real AI employee. We will structure this program in such a way that in each AI employee, we will separate the front-end part, the AI agent part, the APIs, the integration part, so that you can understand how the production AI-ready applications are built. Knowledge of Python is good to have. Even if you are not expert, that is also fine. I will explain you each and everything step by step, and also will explain you how the different pieces of code can fit together. You will get source code. You will also get the architecture diagram, the documentation, and the recording of the session also. I am intentionally keeping the batch very small so that we can interact each other, share our ideas, and build the complete ecosystem, AI ecosystem together. So if you are interested, please comment AI employee on the comment section, or you can send an email with a subject AI employee to my email address, which is manu@GanixAI. And based on your response, I will share you the complete curriculum, the schedule, and the registration process.